I am how I am because of you are every reasons, every hope and every dream. I we even had any I am thinking about you always. I know you are seeing everything I have been talking about you if you are seeing into reply with I love you from me to know what you are saying everything I am talking about you and I miss you so much my heart you are much made in heaven there is no second of there is never a second where are you aren't there to lift me when I need you to I am so incredible fortunate to have crossed paths with you have its brought us to this beautiful point in our lives. A point where I found that I cannot wait to bleed with you or grow with you and face future with you are everything I could ever want in a woman. I will never want to anything or anyone else that I can promise. I looked at a sweet, beautiful rose, and then I looked at you and kept looking at you, for the rose is not as beautiful as you. I just want you to know how much I carry and that you are always in my thoughts when I cannot there as you can clear see you mine the world to me from the moment I meet you my life took on a new and beautiful meaning you are presence in my world has brought a sense of completeness that I never know existed. You are smile, you are lighter, and you are unwearing support. I have become the foundation of my happiness. I cannot imagine without you. And every day, thank universes for bringing you into my life as I sit here and reflect on our journey together. I am overwhelmed by the depth of emotion I feel for you. You are my muse, my confidant, and my one true love. Your love has the power of to hell my wants and inspire my greatest dream with you. I we discovered a love so performed that it transcends time and spaces. When I think about the future, I see you it interventing with you are the present. I want to share every sunrise and sunset with every trip and every challenge you are love has touched the core of my souls and it is all love that only grow stronger each passing day. I am far grateful for the love we share the beauty of your life. Love is that it's now no limits. It's a love that defies distance, generation abuse it easily and grows stronger in the face of adversity. You have shown me that love can be the most powerful force in the universe, and I am internally thank you for the love you have given me. Hi, darling. I've been fantasizing about how we might pass the time before we fall asleep. Tonight, I can never get enough of you. I cannot believe I found you such a beautiful person, a woman, always funny, smart, and I will already been caught, but each day you may manage to rally me and more. I cannot keep my eyes off you. Have I told you yet today how much I love you? I have will let me so it once more. I we definitely never felt like this before. You can give me a choice in this world. I will always choose you. I cannot wait for any other 20 years to go by, and I still remember what you were wearing the night we meet. I just hope you were as scared of me as I am of you. What was I even doing before I meet you? I honestly love being in love with you. I simply cannot go to bed without telling you how much I love you. Sweet dreams, darling. Will you kiss me before I draft off to sleep? I want to carry it with me into my dreams. If I do not wake up now, that feeling a sleep with you has made me the happiest man. Always I happily share face sleep for some more English. Good night, my love. Wishing you the sweetest dreams as you draft off to sleep. I hope you are tucked in nice and tight. I will see you in the morning. I know sleep is important, but it will be hard to be away from you all night long. I better to get to bed. The sooner I sleep, the sooner I get to spend another day with you. Even the sweetest dreams cannot compare to a walking life with you. I want to fall asleep holding your hand. Will be go bed soon. I promise. Just let me go. Look at you for a few more minutes. Look up and see the night sky full of stars. Then prince so brilliantly, just as I do for you. Please, everyone, for my channel, for subscribe and of the poem. Please, my fans, last message for you, everyone. Please, my channel for subscribe and of the poem.